Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, and what we're going to explore today is QUANTUMSCAPE Corp. Just give a really quick visit on this, and this is actually TA. I think the last video was kind of ghetto, actually. We're going to do a little bit more of TA on this video. I think I found a fractal that's pretty interesting, guys. Stick with me to the end. And if you're just joining us, welcome in. You guys are going to hear some weird stuff on this channel at times. We try to keep it as professional as we possibly can. If you appreciate that, then of course join us. The YouTube algorithm is truly on our side right now. We'd like to keep it that way. So leave a comment, leave an appropriate thumb. Our loyal subscribers have been doing this forever. Thank you guys, and thank you for our new viewers here as well. All right, if I can stop rambling, we can go ahead and get into the charts here. If you guys are ready, let's dive into the charts, shall we? All right, so today's January the 29th, 2021, and the previous close of QUANTUMSCAPE is going to be $43.75. It's down approximately 3.9% for the day. Okay, looks like there's some buying interest coming in post-market. 43.86, up about 0.2% for the day. Okay, so here's where I'd hope that you keep an open mind with me here, and I want to show you the fractal that I think I have found, and it goes as follows. That's it. Kind of complicated, but it's simple. I'll explain everything. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to compare what's going on right now in the price action. Let's see if we can change that color really quickly. We're going to compare what's going on right now in the price action to what could take place, what has already taken place in the past. And I'll go ahead and align that for you guys as soon as I can erase that. So what we're going to do is go back in time before the actual breakout. Hopefully I can kind of pull this up so everyone can see this as clean as they possibly can. If you guys can see that good, let me know down in the comment section. Well, I wouldn't know, it's a recorded video, but here's what I'm looking at, guys. This boxed area here, okay? So this is back in August 2020 over to this green circle area is like November 2020. So that window of time. What we're doing is comparing these candles to what could potentially take place in present day, okay? But let's just go ahead and explore what we're looking at here, okay? So the buying interest stepped in this market on this candle right here. We're going to, of course, compare this candle to what we're dealing with present day just to make sure that we're comparing apples to apples. So this entire range was created from the buyers who just kind of stepped in the market and like hit the buy button like there was no tomorrow, okay? $15.11 is the lower area of this box here, and the top of it is going to be at approximately $20.34. Now the fractal that we're paying attention to is going to be, it starts when it breaks out of this white box here, okay? It actually starts with this red circle candle down here. So what we're paying attention to is notice how the these are weekly candles, by the way. Notice how the candle actually closed below the box, okay? So this is when it all starts, okay? The initiation of the fractal closes below this box, and then you get this red candle to close, to have an official candle's body to close below the lower line of this box, and then 3 weeks thereafter it's just completely it's just continuing to go down. In fact, this 25% represents how much it declined in the markets before it actually had the reversal candle on these two weekly candles here, before that very aggressive thrust to the upside, okay? So that's what we're going to pay attention to and potentially compare to what is taking place in the markets at present day. So again, what we're looking for is a break below the box, an official weekly candle to full candle to close below the line, 3 weeks of I guess downward pressure, and then of course we're looking for that reversal candle 3 weeks thereafter after a 25% decline. Of course, these arrows here represented the red, white, and blue arrows is kind of the beginning of the downwards pressure below the white box, and then the white one is kind of continuing, and then the blue one, of course, is the most extreme move down, which is probably that move that shakes most of the strong hands, or not even the strong hands, most of the investors out of the market. So let's go over to present day and see if we can find something similar that could take place. Pure speculation. Have an open mind with me there, okay? So where we are now potentially in this fractal, we have just completed this weekly candle here. This is an official break below the white box. Let's go ahead and keep everyone up to speed. I know everybody, hopefully we're leaving a link to show you guys that we put this white box on the chart when it was very, I don't really like that video, the last video we came out with. It wasn't really informative. kind of cocky. Sorry about that. The lower line of this box is going to be at about $47.28. And the top of the box is going to be at approximately $74.67. So as we mentioned at the fractal, guys, the only two things that we're waiting for is now what could take place is the 3-week candle setup that we've already explained, guys. 1, 2, 3, okay? So it's likely that we're probably, take it easy there, bulls. This is just speculation. We may be up against a similar move. The first thing that we're going to look for is the next week candle is probably going to close a full candle's body below this white box, the range we've already explained. Rewind it back, please, kindly, and get those levels. We're going to get a weekly candle, full candle to close below this box. Now, if that happens, guys, I'm going to expect to see more downward pressure. Yes, I know in the previous video I said I'm going to hit that buy button, like almost exactly like that I would hit that buy button if it closes below this line. Do I still feel that way? Sort of. I'll be honest, sort of, guys. The way the price is behaving, remember, guys, I specialize in the story. I don't think a lot of the investors are shaken out of this market just yet. There seems to be still a lot of optimism in the market. Optimism is fine, but I don't see any real imminent signs for the investors to be shaken out of their positions just yet. And I think that's what's going on. That's why I guess some sort of whatever's going on is they're sending some list pinness or something. I don't know, guys. So they're trying to get most of the investors shaken out of their positions first before the price moves up. Now, again, for those of you who are just joining us, I do have a price target just overhead at about 70. I think we were just saying $70. It will likely conservative have a price revisit at that level at some point in the future, $70 and I think like 92 cents. Do I still believe that? Absolutely. Like, that has not changed at all. The only real modifications that I'm making are me hitting that buy button as soon as the price gets below, I think I said like $42, okay? So I will be cautiously ready to hit that buy button if the price continues down there, down to that level next week, again about $42, okay? But I truly think that if this comes to fruition, that'd be a sweet call, right? I'm documenting this right now, guys. I don't know how to edit a video, so if this were to take place, let's just go ahead and get to it. Jesus, I'm rambling. So the 25% below this white line here can be measured. Let's go ahead and measure that. I think I didn't measure it, but let's go ahead and measure it one more time. 25% down is going to reflect in the price tag of about $35.17. Take it easy, bulls. Pure speculation. What did I say? 35.17 is going to be approximately right there. Okay, so that right there on the chart. So obviously we'd have to move the red, white, and blue arrows here, which again, pure speculation, guys, might not even come true. But if this were somewhat on the right track with what I'm seeing in the charts, then the weekly reversal candle that we should expect to see some sort of reversal in this market would take place in between the days or weeks thereof, starting at February the 22nd, 2021. Okay, I know that's not what the bulls want to hear. They want to see this thing, this instrument. Okay, don't call it this thing. These are very beautiful strategic instruments, and that I have a lot of respect for. And I don't like when people call them these things. They're not things. Okay. All right. So February the 22nd, 2021. If I am somewhat correct about this weird fractal that I found, it will likely have some sort of interesting price action. I'll say that, okay? Just in case people still want to say it's never going to turn around. There'll be some interesting price action in this beautiful instrument on or just shortly thereafter, February the 22nd, 2021, guys. Again, the price level, 25% below this box that we've already measured in comparison to what has already happened in the past. I'm only going by data that has already happened, okay? 25% down again is $35 and about 17 cents. Is it guaranteed to play out exactly? Absolutely not. Pure speculation. Let me know what you guys thought about that down in the comment section. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. I think this is interesting, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. It's your turn. You let me know what's going to happen in this price. I'm not going to get this stuff right all the time, guys. I'm just a speculator, right? Just like, I look at this stuff all the time, and it looks interesting to me. I'm still going to be anticipating a long position. I did enter a contract for $66 that expired today, worthless. I'm not sure what I was thinking about when I did that, but it was just a small position, guys. I was just testing the waters because I know at some point this price will likely bounce, even if it doesn't go through and possibly through the all-time highs. It's likely the price will bounce if it doesn't go to zero. I have to say that I risk getting a thumbs down saying that, but if this price doesn't go to zero, I mean, I'll shut the channel down, guys. If it doesn't go all the way up to $70.99, you heard it right. I'll hold me accountable. I will shut this channel down if this price doesn't go to zero. If it doesn't go back up to $70.93, I'll shut the channel down. You guys will never hear from me again. I'm documenting that right now. There you have it, folks. So leave an appropriate thumb. I think I already said that. Leave a comment. I said that as well. If you guys are new, just joining us, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. We also go over the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. So, of course, subscribe, and we'll send you out that information when it's available. And I think we covered everything, guys. Thank you for your patience. Seriously, it's not easy listening to me. But, yeah, we're going to cut out here. Protect yourself. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. And bye for now.